The Google Maps location is wrong. It locates the restaurant in the previous alley. Please be sure to watch the route guidance video to confirm. The hut is located in the vegetable market. As soon as you come out, you can go to the vegetable market and then cook. We were full after eating the first 2 dishes. Afterwards, I cooked the green curry chicken, which was delicious, but I couldn't eat it anymore, so I packed it back with mango sticky rice to eat. Outside is Shillongjin Road, and there is Prince Theatre pork porridge. I would give 6 stars if I could. It was worth every penny. The instructor was very knowledgeable and very nice. She even helped us find a taxi after the class, given that we couldn't speak Thai. Besides the cooking itself, we learnt about the background of Thai food. Very nice experience. Even this is the 3rd time to attend cooking class in Thailand. This one is the best out of all. The chef is warm and friendly. They treat us so well that even we were late for the class, quite late honestly, playful face emoji. Highly recommend. Hassle-free booking and looking for the place was fairly easy. The experience was great and the staff were very helpful. The Thai chef that was teaching us was super knowledgeable. We learnt a lot from her and her English was very fluent. It was easy to communicate with her. Enjoyed her class a lot. Nacha was a lovely, friendly, skilled and charming teacher. We loved the Friday menu, papaya salad, pad thai, red curry and mango sticky rice. Loved the vibe, highly recommended. I did it with my kids. It wasn't difficult and you were well prepared. The market tour with the teacher was also fun. It is much richer than expected, and the teacher will take everyone to complete multiple dishes and fine-tune them according to each person's different tastes. In the process, the Thai ingredients and cuisine are introduced in detail. The teacher is friendly and the class is easy to learn. I chose the morning class because I wanted to go to the morning market and learn more about the choice of ingredients. You were so kind. It was better to have my son and me alone. You help them do well, so they can do well. It was very hot all the time while cooking, and the air conditioner was kept at 23 degrees. We couldn't turn on more air conditioners because they said there were less than 7 or 8 of us. I was sweating all the time during the cooking class. But the instructor is professional and don't eat anything, just eat delicious food. There is a problem in teaching. Each dish is not made by itself from beginning to end. It feels like a workshop. Each person cuts different parts and then cooks them according to ingredients. I don't actually know what each dish has. Secondly, the instructor's attitude was a bit problematic. She didn't teach patiently. Students made mistakes and blame. I thought that my place was have fun, and the first time cooking, the order of materials was changed without blame. Furthermore, the professor's amaranth is very curious. He teaches cooking all-round dishes and papaya salad. I would expect the course is a general cooking course, but the teacher's attitude towards Taiwanese is very problematic. On the same day, there were 2 Italians in the class. The teacher only greeted Italians for almost the whole process, explaining to them, with a smile on his face, for us 2 Taiwanese it is doing chores, collecting dishes, pulling vegetable leaves, and has no good face. In the end, because she had clearly expressed her displeasure, she said that because some Taiwanese stopped her from adding too much sugar, she knew it well after.